Experience science with Nancy Balter. Nobody knows science like Nancy. Her scientific tools and real-life journaling activities provide hands-on science experiences that get kids comfortable and excited about science, giving them the confidence to pursue science further in school and in life. Scientific experiences designed for kids ages 8 to 11 years. MoonScope and Skygazer's activity journal includes MoonScope with 18x and 90x magnification, MoonFilter, glow-in-the-dark finder scope, and tripod with built-in red LED for night viewing. 22-page Skygazer's journal includes astronomy activities, moon stories, and tracking, writing, drawing, and other activities. Small parts. Not for children under 3 years. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Real, working kids telescope. Explore Saturn, Jupiter, and even the mountain ranges on the moon with your telescope. Number 2. Robust 22-page activity journal. Get started on your stellar celestial adventure. Learn about the lunar phases, writing a moon myth, drawing your own man on the moon, and more. Number 3. Everything beginners need to be included. Includes a MoonScope with 18x and 90x magnifications, 4mm and 20mm all-glass eyepieces, finder scope, MoonFilter, tripod, and 22-page journal. Number 4. STEM learning. Supports STEM and STEAM learning by encouraging scientific exploration and discovery. Number 5. Perfect for outdoor play and at-home learning. Get kids outside to explore the world and stay curious. We are dedicated to providing resources that keep your kids learning and having fun while at home. Number 6. STEM learning. This product features STEM-based fun where the idea of educating young learners in 4 specific disciplines, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, creates the opportunity for open-ended discoveries and education through play. Number 7. Observing and exploring the surface of the moon, exploring. Thanks to scientific observation of space through telescopes, Galileo was able to discover the moons of Jupiter and change the way we think about the universe forever. Today, young explorers can make their own observations, an essential element of the scientific method. Number 8. Technology. Real-life science tools can help kids develop the skills and experience they need to succeed through technology, math, and science. With STEM-based technology learning, the sky, or even the universe, is the limit. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can you see the stars? Answer. Yes, you can. Space, stars, and a view of the nighttime sky. Feel free to reach out to us on our Educational Insights site under the Contact Us page with any other questions you may have. Question number 2. Can you see the rings of Saturn? Answer. Yes. You can see the rings of Saturn. Page 19 of the included Skygazer's activity journal gives you advice for how to do this. It also shows an image of how Saturn and its rings will look through this MoonScope. Question number 3. Can I order just the MoonFilter? Answer. Unfortunately, we don't sell the MoonFilter separately. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.